Good day. Today I will show you how you can utilize the PatientXpress custom report. First, you just need to click on the PX button. Once on the PX button, click on the Custom Report tab. Once you're in the Custom Report tab, you can now go ahead and start to write your own query, or if you know someone who can provide you a query for certain reports, you can enter it here. You can also request for a custom query report from PatientXpress. You just need to identify what are the things you would want to achieve for that report. For this example, we will be selecting a pre-made report that comes along with PatientXpress. Just click on the Favorites button to see list of saved queries. Now, as we can see, there are certain selections here. But for this example, we will be pulling forms that are already overdue for today. As we can see, there are a lot of patients who haven't filled out their forms. We can now export this as a CSV file, so you can add this as data for your report. We can also start to send an email to this patient, so that then can be reminded to fill out their forms. And that is it. That is how you can utilize the PatientXpress custom report.